Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 262. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this bottom row now, we're only missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help, so 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8, 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 6. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, or 3 and 9 here, so this is our 1. And I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. But that 1 makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 3, 1, 3, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.